What's up, everybody? Now this is the second time I'm recording this video, so please welcome back to the channel. I started opening up a few packs and my camera cut off on me. So we had some Dollar Tree packs and some regular Team Up booster packs. We got a holo from each. We had the Electrode Hacky Sack and the Alolan Ninetales. Now I was doing a pack battle with myself, but no longer. I did have some code cards that I promised the girl who watched the video if I could get the other one. Here's one of them. And I did have another one, but I threw it somewhere, I'm not sure. But I'm not sure how long my time recording, so let's get into it. Now, if you do like the videos, please like, comment, subscribe, the whole nine. Here's another code for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We have a Leaf Energy. Get rid of that. Hitmonchan. Grass Memory. Persian. Tentacool. Grimer. Pidgey. Dratini. Ponyard. Reverse Nidoran. And Alolan Executor. Regular, rare card. Now we're going to blast through some of these Dollar Tree packs. I had like 40 of these bad boys to go through. And all of a sudden, the camera cut out. So, let's see. Reverse Evelyn. 2 of them. The focus on this thing is killing me. But what else we have? Rapidash. Squirtle. Aerodactyl, I like him. Psychic Energy. Nothing. Now you can get anything from this set in these Dollar Tree packs. So it's fun to open them. There it is. Ingo and Emmett full art. Nice. I do not have him. Wow. It's a beautiful card. Now I will cut this video short because it's going to cut out on me again. So please, this is a new channel. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to try to fix the bugs out and try to keep creating some content. So, thanks.